Sterilizer questions answered. Tuttnauer sterilizer M&MK operation. Operation 1730 M2340 M2540 M3140 M3850 M3870 M2340 MK2540 MK. Fill water. Use mineral-free water only. Fill water up to the safety valve. Keep the safety valve out of the water. Loading options for M&MK. 2340 M/MK3 metal trays, 2540 M/MK4 metal trays or 1 pouch rack and 1 stainless steel tray. 3140 M/MK2 metal trays. 2850 M/MK2 metal trays or 1 container or 2 container. 3870 M/MK2 metal trays or 1 pouch rack and 1 stainless steel tray or 2 pouch pack. Insert the indicators. Insert the indicator into one of the pouches. Positioning of the pouches. Note when placing the pouches on a shelf, the transparent side must be face down. Turn on the autoclave switch on the power, green light will turn on. Preparing the autoclave for operation. Temperature, select the sterilization temp 134-121 by turning the temperature dial. Preparing the autoclave for operation. Fill water. Water will begin to flow into the chamber. Preparing the autoclave for operation. When the water level reaches the marking at the front of the chamber, turn to STE, sterilization, to stop the water filling. Caution: if the water passes the marking, it will spill out. Door closure. Start cycle. Turn the timer dial to the desired time to begin the cycle. M model 30 minutes for cold chamber, 25 minutes for hot chamber. MK model 25 minutes for cold chamber, 20 minutes for hot chamber. The heat light will turn on. Cycle. When the timer has reaches 0, a ding will sound. Turn dial for from STE, sterilization, to EXH plus dry exhaust plus dry. You must do it immediately after ding. The dry light will turn on. After sterilization stage, make sure that the gauge shows that pressure has reached atmospheric pressure. For wrapped instruments. For unwrapped instruments. For wrapped instruments. Turn the timer dial to 30 minutes. Release the door. Do not open the door. After 30 minutes of drying, the timer will reach 0. A ding will sound. Turn dial from EXH plus dry to 0. A dry light will turn on. Remove the load. Caution: the contents are very hot. Use a tray handle. Completion of the cycle. Ensure that the indicators have changed colors. Ensure the instruments are completely dry. What to do when the instruments are still wet at the end of the cycle. Adding dry time if required, turn the timer dial to the desired time to start the drying process. Release the door. Do not open. If drying is required, redetermine drying time using the timer. Once the timer has reached 0, a ding will sound. The dry light will be off. Turn dial from EXH plus dry to 0. For unwrapped instruments, turn dial from EXH plus dry to 0. Open the door completely. Be careful of the hot steam. Remove the load. Caution: the contents are very hot. Use a tray handle. Completion of the cycle. Ensure that the indicators have changed colors. Additional comments. Use only the chemical and biological indicators approved by CE medical device or FDA standards. The indicators must be intended for steam sterilizers, suitable for the temperature of this specific cycle, and for the controlled exposure time. See the manufacturer's instructions. Checking instructions change from country to country according to the local standards. Please check what the instructions in your organization are, and make sure you abide by them. Make sure that the maintenance is carried out according to instructions in the Operation and Maintenance Manual. Sterilizer questions answered. If you have any other questions, call us at 1-800-762-1586 or email us at info@sterilizers.com. There is more information you can find on sterilizers.com, where you can call, email, WhatsApp, FB Messenger, or web chat.